Hi students of class 9th, this is Dharmender sir. I will start this video with a motivational quote today as success in life comes when you simply refuse to give up with goals so strong that obstacles, failure and loss only act as motivation. मीन्स सफलता जीवन में तभी आती है जब आप साधारणतः गिव अप करना या हिम्मत हारना अस्वीकार कर देते हैं। आपका लक्ष्य इतना मजबूत होना चाहिए कि बाधाएं, असफलताएं तथा घाटा आपके प्रेरणा के रूप में केवल कार्य करें। इसी के साथ क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन पर चलते हैं। पार्ट थर्ड, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, आंसर ईच ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चंस इन अ शॉर्ट पैराग्राफ अबाउट 30 वर्ड्स। जैसा कि बच्चों आप जानते हैं कि आज हम लोग पार्ट थर्ड में पहुंच चुके हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर के। इस चैप्टर में क्वेश्चंस ज़्यादा है तो आज पार्ट थर्ड ही करेंगे और कल पार्ट 4 और ग्रामर सेक्शंस कुछ दिए हैं, कल उनको करेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। मैं क्वेश्चन आंसर आपको बोल बोल कर लिखवाऊँगा, धीरे धीरे बोलूँगा और आप उसे पॉज करके और लिख लेंगे। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जैसे पूछ रहा है, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ टीचर्स डिड मार्गी एंड टॉमी हैव? द आंसर इज मार्गी एंड टॉमी हैव अ मैकेनिकल टीचर. It is placed in their homes. It flashes lessons as geography, history, arithmetic and many more books. Full stop. It was just a telebook. Full stop. They study different subjects and give tests and score marks instantly. Full stop. The question is over. Next question. Why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? The answer is Margie's mother. Margie में apostrophe लगाएंगे. Margie's mother sent for the county inspector because Margie had been doing worse and worse, WORAC, worse, until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully. Full stop. Next question is, what did he do? The answer is, he smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. Full stop. He knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there, there it was again. Full stop. Next question is, why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? The answer is, Margie was doing badly in geography because the geography sector was geared, GEARED, geared a little too quick. Full stop. The county inspector had slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Full stop. That's all. Number 5. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? The answer is, once Tommy's teacher was also taken away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Full stop. It was also a mechanical teacher and it was also be disturbed a little. Full stop. Over. Next question is, did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? The answer is yes. Margie had regular days and hours for school because her mother said little girls learned learned better if they learned at regular hours. Full stop. Next question is, how does Tommy describe the old kind of school? The answer is, Tommy described the old kinds of school as के बाद कॉलन का साइन दीजिए, ऊपर नीचे दो बिंदु और डैश. The teachers had a special building and all the kids went there. Full stop. All the kids were of same age. Learnt learnt the same things in the same class. Full stop. They enjoyed with each other. Full stop. The last question is, how does he describe the old kind of teachers? The answer is, he describes the old kind of teachers as he was a man and he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. Full stop. He knows, knows, he knows as much as his mechanical teacher. Full stop.